me, Arav, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out the Emma's Goodies 1-minute microwave pizza.
Okay, so we're going to start out with the self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, it's time to buy it. No. It's time to make it. So in a large mixing bowl, combine 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then you're just going to add in a pinch of salt and mix that up nicely until it's well combined. Measure at 1/3 because we did add an extra half teaspoon. You can see I'm measuring right now. And now we're just going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk and mix that up nicely. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for new uploads. And now we're just going to bring that dough together with our hands. We're going to knead it together with our hands. Here's a tip. Put oil on your hands to prevent the dough from, sticking to your hands. And it'll also, you can see that dough. If it's not thick enough, if it, it's a bit, thick or not solidy, then just add a little more flour to it. And now we're just going to roll it out well on it. And you do want that rolling board. Put a kitchen towel underneath to prevent, the thing from sliding around the kitchen. Now prick it a few times with a fork. Don't prick it around the edge though, because that's where you're going to have your pizza crust. Then add a tablespoon of seasoned sauce. You can add some extra garlic or extra pepper to it. And we're just going to spread it around, with with the bottom of a spoon. And yes, this is an actual proper 1-minute microwave pizza. No, I swear. I mean, Emma's Goodies said it is. It's not a mug pizza. And so here we're just going to put our pizza on the parchment-lined baking sheet. And we're going to microwave it for 40 seconds. And it won't have cheese on it, but you'll see in a second why. So we're going to microwave it for 40 seconds now. And now we're just going to take it out after 40 seconds. And then we're actually going to add cheese after 40 seconds. It may look good and you may want to, eat it, but we have to add the cheese. 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese or, yeah. And now we're just gonna, put it in the microwave yet again for 35 to 55 seconds. I'm putting it at 55 for the best, browning that I can get. And then we can here we have it. Now, the crust will not be golden, but that's because we're going to bake it. I know this sounds controversial, but I like to bake it. And in a toaster oven. Or an air fryer or whatever. At 3 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's taste test time. Still a little hot. This tastes so good. I really hope you will try this recipe. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!